Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use Circle to search on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. To enable this feature, open Settings on your smartphone, then navigate down to Display Settings, and then scroll down to Navigation bar. Then switch Circle to search on, and after that this feature will become available for you no matter which navigation type you use. If you are using swipe gestures, you're gonna have to hold your finger down on the navigation bar, then circle anything on your screen to start searching for it. And if you are using buttons, you're gonna have to hold down the middle button or the circle button in order to start searching. And here you'll get your results. So the photos, the exact matches, products by what you selected, visual matches, and all the same, and all the rest. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.